Sorry about the wind to start off. Got this new car in, 1972 Chevy Monte Carlo. I'm going to do a little bit of restoration on it. Car sat a little while. Body isn't too bad. Got a nice little patina going on here. Not too bad on the rust. Fender's a little rotten. Frame looks pretty decent. Got some issues with the floor pans. Pretty typical for a car of this year, especially when they sit for a little while. Nothing too crazy. Also pretty normal. This one is eventually going to have a rag top put on it. I would get in the trunk, but I forgot to bring my screwdriver. Replacing a bumper. This quarter panel has been replaced before. A little bit of rot by the windshield. Bottom of the fender. Like I said, this one isn't too bad. This will be a frame off restoration, so the paint, the frame will get painted, car will get painted. It's going to have a 6-liter LS swap, I believe, with a 6-speed automatic transmission. So stay tuned. I'll try to update as much as possible.